Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Instinct E, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%. You can check it by opening the menu on your watch, and here we have the battery level, and as you can see, it's above 20%, so we can continue. Because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Okay, so let's continue with the reset. First thing we need to do is to open the menu. So press and hold the up/menu button to open the menu. Then use the up button to scroll up in the menu, and it should select the system option. Once the system is selected, press the GPS, then use the up button again, scroll up, select reset, press GPS, and here scroll up again, select the delete data and reset settings, press GPS, and then press GPS to confirm. Then scroll down, select yes, press GPS, and now wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.